So guys, I was in Tirana, Albania, which is in Eastern Europe, so I thought to share with you how expensive it is. To me, it costs around $25 per day, including hostel, food, transportation and other things. Like I spend $25 per day here, and it is a kind of off season. The month is October 2017. So let's check out how I spend money and how much is that. So guys, this is the hostel that I got here in Tirana, Albania. My bed space here. You can see, and it cost $9 per night in October 2017. It is a bit of off season here. There is a small restaurant, pizza shop and shawarma shop. Let's go inside and find out what it offers for lunch and the pricing. So guys, this is the meal for lunch I got here in Tirana in that restaurant, with chips and chicken and salad, and this is a combined traditional meal, and it costs $4, 450 lek, the local currency, which is equal to $4. So that's it. Now here is a market, local market for grocery and cosmetics, and I'm going inside and show you the pricing. The ketchup pricing. This ketchup for $2, and oil for $3 a liter, and milk 1 liter for around $1.25. Here is the juices. Every juice is almost for $1.50, 1 liter. Small juices for like $0.50. You can see the pricing, and as I said, 110 Albanian lek is equal to $1. 1 liter water just for 70 cents, and the small bottle is for 40 cents, like this one. I'm getting this one. Drinks, you can see, just for 70 cents, and $1 for any kind of beer or energy drink. And here is the vegetables and fruits. I don't know the price, but it must be cheaper, like maybe $1 for 1 kg for any items. These small shops are everywhere, from where you can buy snacks, cigarettes and drinks etc. for little or cheap price. Going into Turkish restaurant for dinner here in Tirana, and let's see what is the price. This is the menu of the Turkish restaurant in Tirana. You can check the prices. For soup, it is like 250 lek, 200 lek, which is $2, and rice for 250 lek, which means $2, and this rice for 150, which means $1.50. Salad, $2.50. Then we have all the salads for $3 or $2, and then we have this grills, $6, this one, and this also, and this is for 4 persons, $15, the whole thing. That's the pricing. I have ordered my meal, and I will show you how much that costs. I ordered this simple meal, vegetables and rice, a bread and this water, and this all cost $4.50. So that's for dinner. A nice local stop here. Cost less than $1 for